What if I told you there's a growth strategy so powerful it feels like a cheat code? You've been working hard, making videos, editing, posting, but the growth feels slow, doesn't it? You pour your heart into your content, but the numbers barely budge. Something is still missing. What is that one piece that could unlock explosive growth? It's something much more human, much more accessible than you think. Making great videos is hard work. You have to brainstorm, write, film, edit, and promote. That's a lot for one person, especially when you're starting out. When you work with another creator, you instantly cut that workload in half and bring fresh energy to your channel. Collaborating introduces new perspectives and different experiences. This leads to video ideas you would never have thought of alone, keeping your content exciting for both you and your audience. When two creative people team up, the final product is almost always better. One might have great equipment, the other expertise in editing or storytelling. Finally, collaborating is just more fun. It turns a solo mission into a team adventure, giving you someone to celebrate wins with and lean on when things get tough. So how do you find the right person? First rule, don't just chase big numbers. The most successful collaborations happen between creators at similar stages. Look for channels roughly your size whose audience matches yours. If you bake vegan cookies, partner with someone doing plant-based fitness or sustainable living. Their audience is already interested in related topics. Do your homework. Watch their videos. Check if you like their style and if you'd get along. Good collaboration is about chemistry, not just numbers. Send a friendly, professional message. Don't just say, "Wanna collab?" Instead, introduce yourself, mention what you like about their channel, and propose a specific video idea. Make it personal and easy for them to say yes. Here's where real growth happens. Imagine you have 1,000 subscribers, your partner has 1,000. When you collaborate, you're introducing your channel to a brand new group of 1,000 targeted people. It's like having your friend introduce you to a room full of people guaranteed to like you. This audience crossover is the fastest way to gain targeted subscribers. When your partner tells their audience to check out your channel, it's a powerful endorsement. People trust recommendations from creators they follow. Think of it as building a bridge between two villages. Your collaboration becomes an event that creates shared excitement and momentum benefiting both channels. The best approach is creating two videos, one for each channel, with clear calls to action directing viewers to the other. Here's the secret most creators miss. Collaborations send powerful signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is valuable and connected within its niche. When you include your partner's name in titles, descriptions, and tags, and they do the same, YouTube starts understanding your channels are related authorities in that topic. This creates lasting effects. The algorithm becomes more likely to recommend your videos to people who watch your partner's content, building a digital bridge for ongoing traffic. And here's the ultimate secret: session watch time. When viewers watch both collaboration videos, you're creating extended viewing sessions across multiple channels. The algorithm loves this more than anything. It's the perfect signal of successful collaboration. Here's your simple action plan. Right now, find 5 channels in your niche, about your size. Don't overthink it. Just look for creators you genuinely enjoy. Don't immediately ask for collaboration. Start building relationships. Watch their videos. Leave thoughtful comments for a week or two. Let them see your name and get familiar with you. After building rapport, reach out with a personalized message. Use the template we discussed. Introduce yourself, reference specific content, and pitch a clear collaboration idea. Make it a win-win situation. Here's your challenge. Make your very next video a collaboration. It doesn't have to be perfect or complicated. Just find one creator and make something together. The hardest part is starting, but once you do your first collaboration, you'll unlock a new level of growth and fun on YouTube. You'll see the power of community over competition. So take that first step today. Reach out, connect, and create something amazing together. Your future subscribers are waiting. Start your collaboration journey now.